Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can send hidden messages on your iPhone. So you are going to search for the Notes app and you are just going to create a note. And then here, you're just going to type anything you want. For instance, like, hi. Pretend you're planning like a surprise party. I do not condone cheating. That's why I'm not... I don't know, but this is just if you want to send secret messages to a friend. For instance, you're throwing like your boyfriend or girlfriend or whatever a surprise party and you want to surprise them and they go through your phone and you just don't want them to find out that you're planning a surprise party. So you're just going to select share and you're going to select collaborate with this one, and you're going to select the person you want to collaborate with, for instance on messages, and then choose only people you invite can make changes and turn this off too. And you can also select anyone with the link and you can like copy and paste that and just press done and then select the person you want to send messages to, and that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!